Department for International Trade is a government organisation that helps companies on their international trade journey, so they can help them right from the very beginning, looking at new markets, international market research, any training they require, any guidance, sort of advice that they need.
I think the challenge is that it is a government department, so people don't realise that it's there to provide business support. So it is about getting a message out to companies about the positive impact that we can have with them.
They think that it's too difficult for them to get involved with, or they just don't see themselves as an exporter, so they could be an e-commerce business, a service business, and they think it's physical goods that are traded cross-border. We were introduced to Bigtank because we were working on a campaign about redefining Lancashire and redefining exports within Lancashire.
Companies that have taken part in the videos have seen an impact on their own performance, their own staff, as well as the way that they can get the message out to companies that we're looking to reach. The largest click-throughs that we've had for things on the newsletter have come from the videos that we've done. It's become a lasting bank of material for us to continue to use on a regular basis. The experience of working with Bigtank has been really good because they've been so flexible and accommodating.
They made the whole experience really seamless, and I felt like that made the whole process really easy for me. They really understood what I needed to achieve. I would thoroughly recommend working with Bigtank.